If you're a complete beginner and want to start making money online, eBay is one of the easiest platforms to get started. You don't need experience, and you can begin with things you already have at home. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start selling on eBay for beginners step by step. The first thing you need to do is create an eBay account. Go to the platform, sign up with your email, and complete your basic information. After creating your account, the next step is to set up your payments. eBay handles payments directly, but you need to add your bank account so you can receive your money. Now it's time to decide what to sell. As a beginner, the easiest way is to start with items you already own, like clothes, electronics, or small accessories. This way, you don't need to invest money at the beginning. The next step is to create your first listing. Inside eBay, click on Sell. Here you need to complete the product details. First, write a clear and simple title using keywords people are searching for. Then add a detailed description explaining the condition, features, and any important details. Upload high-quality photos, since this can make a big difference in your sales. After that, set a competitive price by checking similar products on eBay. The next step is setting up shipping. You can choose if you want to offer free shipping or have the buyer pay for it. And select the option that works best for you. You should also choose your return policy, like whether you accept returns and the time frame. Once everything is ready, click on List Item to publish your product. When you make your first sale, you'll get a notification. Then you just need to pack the item, ship it, upload the tracking number, and wait to receive your payment. A very important tip: as a beginner, focus on good customer service. Reply fast, ship on time, and be honest. This will help you build a good reputation and sell more over time. And that's it. That's how beginners can start selling on eBay step by step. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more online business tutorials.